Namaste. Today in this class we'll continue the memory. In last class we have discussed up to Bronto byte. Bronto byte. Now we'll discuss remaining part. Remaining part. After Bronto byte we have Geoff byte, Sagan byte and Pizza byte. We have to discuss about Bronto byte. After Bronto byte we have Geoff byte, Sagan byte and Pizza byte. If you observe here, we have given complete structure of bit, nibble, byte, KB, MB, GB, TB, petabyte, hexabyte, zettabyte, petabyte, prontobyte, geobyte, Sagan byte and pizzabyte. One bit is equal either 0 or 1. One bit is equal to either 0 or 1. One nibble is equal to 4 bits. One nibble is equal to 4 bits. One byte is equal to 8 bits. One byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 10 bytes. 2 to the power of 10 bytes. 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. 1024 are taken as in approximately equal to 1000. Approximately 1000. 1000 we can written as 10 cube. 1000 we can written as 10 cube. So 1024 is equal to 2 to the power of 10, which is approximately equal to 1000, which is 1000 equal to 10 cube. So I have converted to base 10. Here base is 2. Here base is 10. Base is 2 means this 2 base 2 is the base. That means binary. In binary. 10 is base for decimal. 10 is base for decimal. Okay. I have converted to base 10, which is equal to 10 cube bytes. Okay. 2 to the power of 20, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 6. 1 MB, 1 megabyte is equal to 10 to the power of 20 bytes. That is 1024 KB, which is equal to 10 to the power of 20 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 6 bytes. Like this, we can written in the form of base 2 or in the form of base 10. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, which is equal to 2 to the power of 30 bytes, approximately equal to 10 to the power of 9 bytes. Here, the power is changing 10, again 10, again then, again 10. You observe here, the power is changing by 10, by 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10, right? Here the power is changing by 3, power is changing by 3, power is changing by 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, again 3. Here the power is changing, in the base 2 the power is changing by 10. In base 10 the power is changing by 3. We can observe that one. We can observe that one. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, which is equal to 2 to the power of 30 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 9 bytes. 1 TB is equal to 1024 gigabytes GB, which is equal to 2 to the power of 40 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 12 bytes. 1 PB, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 50 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 50 bytes. 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 petabyte, which is equal to 2 to the power of 60 bytes, which is approximately to 10 to the power of 18 bytes. 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 exabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 70 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 21 bytes. 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 zettabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 80 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 24 bytes. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 yottabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 90 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 27 bytes. We have discussed up to petabyte. Now, geobyte, Sagan byte, and petabyte. 1 geon byte star. Why we are giving star means already GB is there, gigabyte. Already GB is there. So we have given GB star. GB star means geobyte. Okay, is equal to 1024 petabyte. Okay, BB. Okay, which is equal to 1024 into 1024 yottabyte. That is 2 to the power of 20 yottabyte. That is 2 to the power of 20 yottabytes, which is again equal to 1024 into 1024 into what is yottabyte? 1024 zettabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 30 zettabytes. 30 zettabytes. Which is equal to 1024 into 1024 into 1024 exabytes. We will convert the into exabytes. Exabyte into 1024 exabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 40 exabyte. 2 to the power of 40 exabytes, which is equal to 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 petabytes. Petabyte, which is equal to 2 to the power of 50 petabytes. 2 to the power of 50 petabytes, which is equal to 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 terabytes into 1024 terabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 60 terabytes, which is equal to 2 to the power of 60 terabytes. Again, it is equal to 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 gigabytes. That is equal to the power of 70 gigabytes. To the power of 70 gigabytes. Like this, it is equal to 2 to the power of 80 megabytes. It is equal to 2 to the power of 90 KBs megabyte to the power of 100 bytes. To the power of 100 bytes. To the power of 100 bytes. So 1 GB can be represented as 1 geobyte. Geobyte can be represented as 1024 proton byte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 10 BB protobyte. Okay, which is equal to 2 to the power of 20 yottabyte. 1 giga again it is equal to 2 to the power of 30 zettabyte. It is equal to 1 geobyte is equal to 2 to the power of 40 exabyte. 1 geobyte is equal to 2 to the power of 50 petabytes. 1 geobyte is equal to 2 to the power of 60 terabytes. 1 geobyte is equal to 2 to the power of 70 gigabytes. And it is equal to 1 geobyte is equal to 2 to the power of 80 megabytes. 1 geobyte is equal to 2 to the power of 90 kilobytes. Finally, it is equal to 2 to the power of 100 bytes. 2 to the power of 100 bytes. Like this, 1 geobyte can be represented as in so many ways. So many ways. Now, 1 second byte. 1 second byte is equal to 1024 GB star. GB star. Already GB is there. Gigabyte. This is geobyte. So in the geobyte we have given GB star. Okay. That is equal to 1000 2 to the power of 10 geobytes. That is equal to 2 to the power of 20 protobyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 30 yottabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 40 zettabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 50 exabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 60 petabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 70 terabyte. 2 to the power of 80 gigabyte. 2 to the power of 90 to the power of 90 megabyte. Then 2 to the power of 100 kilobyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 110 bytes. 110 bytes. In power of 10, it is equal to 10 to the power of 30 bytes. Which is also equal to approximately equal to 10 to the power of 33 bytes. So 1 Sagar byte is equal to 2 to the power of 10 gigabyte, which is 1 Sagar byte is equal to 2 to the power of 20 protobyte. 1 Sagar byte is equal to 2 to the power of 30 yottabytes. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 40 zettabyte. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 50 exabyte. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 60 petabytes. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 70 terabytes. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 80 gigabyte. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 100 kilobytes. 1 Sagar byte is equal to the power of 110 bytes, which is approximately equal to 10 to the power of 33 bytes. 10 to the power of 33 bytes. Like this, 1 Sagar byte can be represented in terms of geobyte, protobyte, yottabyte, zettabyte, exabyte, petabyte, terabyte, gigabyte, megabyte, kilobyte, and bytes. Now, the last one is petabyte. Last one is petabyte. One PB. Stop. Already PB petabyte is there. Already PB petabyte is there. That's why we are giving star 1 petabyte. Star is equal to 1024 Sagar byte. And third 24 Sagar byte. That is which is equal to 2 to the power of 10 Sagar byte. 2 to the power of 10 Sagar byte. Which is equal to 2 to the power of 20 geobyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 30 protobyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 40 yottabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 50 zettabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 60 exabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 70 petabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 80 terabyte. That is equal to 2 to the power of 90 gigabytes. That is equal to 2 to the power of 100 megabyte. That is equal to the power of 110 kilobytes. That is equal to the power of 20 bytes. 20 bytes. 1 byte. That is approximately equal to 2 to the 10. In the base 10, it is equal to 10 to the power of 36 bytes. 10 to the power of 36 bytes. 1 petabyte. 1 petabyte star. Already petabyte is there. That's why we give PB star is equal to 2 to the power of 10 Sagar byte. 1 petabyte is equal to 2 to the power of 20 gigabytes. Already gigabyte is there. That's why we are given GB star. Giga for geobyte, we are given the GB star, which is equal, P1 PB is equal to 2 to the power 30 petabyte, which is equal to 2 to the power 40 petabyte, which is equal to 2 to the power 50 petabyte, which is equal to 2 to the power 60 exabyte, which is equal, 1 PB is equal to 2 to the 30 petabyte, 1 PB is equal to 2 to the power 80 terabyte, 1 PB is equal to 2 to the power 90 GB gigabyte, 1 PB is equal to the 100 MB megabyte, 1 PB is equal to the 110 kilobyte. Finally, 1 PB is equal to the 20 bytes, which is approximately 10 to the power 36 bytes. 10 to the power 36 bytes. Like this, we can so this is the overview of bit, nibble, byte, and KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, etc. Okay. Now we'll write from smallest memory to biggest memory order in a order. First one is bit. Next nibble. Next one is byte. Next one is KB, kilobyte. Next one is megabyte. Next one is gigabyte. Next one is terabyte. Next one is petabyte. Next one is exabyte. Next one is geobyte. Zettabyte. Next one is yottabyte. Next one is brontobyte. Next one is GB star. Geobyte. Next one is SB, Sargon byte. Next one is BB star. BB star. As we have GB here, again there is GB, we are given star for geobyte. GB star is geobyte. We have PB petabyte, again we have petabyte, that's why we have given PB star for petabyte. Now, if we want to convert petabyte to LB bytes means that means 4 bits. That means 2 nibbles. 8 bits. For 4 bits is equal to nibble. 2 nibbles is equal to byte. 8 bits is equal to byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1024 bytes is KB. Okay, now 1024 multiply with 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 1024 multiply with, that means we want to convert from one to another, we can have to multiply. This is 1, this is 2 times, this is 3 times, this is 4 times, this is 5 times. Like this, you have to next. You have to multiply like this. If we multiply KB with 1024, if we multiply byte with 1024, it gives KB. If we multiply KB with 1024, it gives megabytes. Megabytes. Observe here, this is a technique to remember all these things. If we multiply byte with 1024, it gives kilobyte. If we multiply KB kilobyte with 1024, it gives megabyte. It gives megabyte. If we multiply MB with 1024, it gives gigabytes. It gives gigabyte. If we multiply gigabyte with 1024, it gives terabyte. It gives terabyte. If we multiply 1024 with TB, it gives petabytes. It gives petabyte. If we multiply TB with 1024, it gives exabyte. It gives exabyte. If we multiply exabyte with 1024, it gives zettabyte. It gives zettabyte. If we multiply zettabyte with 1024, it gives petabyte. It gives petabyte. If we multiply petabyte with 1024, it gives brontobyte. It gives brontobyte. If we multiply brontobyte with 1024, it gives geobyte. Geobyte. If we multiply geobyte star with 1024, it gives saganbyte. If we multiply saganbyte with 1024, it gives PB star. Petabyte. Petabyte. That means if we multiply 1024 with, it gives higher memory. It gives higher memory. Now, what is 1024? 2 to the power of 10. That is approximately 10 to cube. 10 cube. That means in place of 2024, if you multiply with, this is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Again, this is equal to 2 to the power of 10. If you multiply this 2 to the power of 10, again 2 to the power of 10, multiply with 2 to the power of 10, 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 and 2 to the power of finally. If you multiply with 2 bytes with 2 to the power of 10, it gives kilobyte. If you multiply KB with 2 to the power of 10, it is megabyte. If you multiply megabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives gigabyte. If you multiply gigabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives terabyte. If you multiply terabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives petabyte. If you multiply terabytes with 2 to the power of 10, it gives petabyte. If you multiply petabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives exabyte. If you multiply exabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives zettabyte. If you multiply zettabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives yottabyte. If you multiply yottabyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives brontobyte. If you multiply brontobyte with 2 to the power of 10, it gives GB star, geobyte. If you multiply GB star with 2 to the power of 10, it gives saganbyte. If you multiply saganbyte SB with 2 to the power of 10, it gives PB star. It gives PB star. Like this, we can remember all these things. Remember all these. So, what is the smallest unit to represent memory? Means smallest unit to represent memory is bit. Bit. Okay. So, everything what we enter as input, it should be converted to either 0 or 1. Before entering CPU, should be converted to either 0 or 1. This 0 and 1 are called bits. Bits mean binary digits. Binary digits. So, by using these binary digits, all these things, nibble, bytes, kilobyte, everything is forming. Everything is forming. So, bit is the basic unit for memory. Bit is the basic unit for memory. We will continue in the next class.